Central Railway to run 36 superfast bi-weekly summer special trains. Central Railway has decided to run 36 superfast bi-weekly summer special trains on negation and special charges between Lokmanya Tilak Terminus Mumbai and Samastipur Junction to clear the extra rush of passengers during summer season. The details are as under. Lokmanya Tilak Terminus, Samastipur Junction. Bi-weekly superfast special, 36 trips. 01043 special will leave Lokmanya Tilak Terminus at 12.15 hours on negation and every Sunday and Thursday from the 10th of April 2022 to the 9th of June 2022, 18 trips, and will arrive Samastipur Junction at 21.15 hours next day. 01044 special will leave Samastipur Junction at 23.30 hours on negation and every Monday and Friday from the 11th of April 2022 to the 10th of June 2022, 18 trips, and will arrive Lokmanya Tilak Terminus at 07:40 hours on negation and third day. Halts: Kalyan, Nashik Road, Bhusawal, Itarsi, Piparia, Jabalpur, Katni, Mehar, Satna, Manikpur, Allahabad Cheyyoki Junction, Mirzapur, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Junction, Buxar, Ara, Danapur, Pataliputra Junction, Hajipur Junction, Muzaffarpur Junction. Composition: O negation ne AC 2 tier, 5 AC 3 tier, O negation ne AC 3 tier economy, 10 sleeper class and 3 general second class. Reservation: Bookings for special train number 01043 on negation and special charges will open on negation on the 3rd of April 2022 at all computerized reservation centers and on negation and website.